and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Boxycharm base box and my Boxycharm premium box for the month of July. I am very excited. I don't normally do box versus box because normally I don't have both at the same time, but today I have both boxes at the same time. So we're going to unbox both of them and we're going to compare and see which one is better for the price, which you guys know premium is $35 a month, the base box is $25. There's a $10 difference, but the products inside might make it all worth the extra 10. But anyways, if you guys love unboxings from me, since I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you would please do me the honor and subscribe, it would literally mean so much to me, and hit the little bell notification so you are aware of when I upload. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So let's start out by showing you what came in the $25 box for me, since it is the cheapest. So we have our card and the theme is sunshine, and this is going to give me all of the prices that we need. So let's go ahead and show you my choice item because I'm so excited. This is the 3 skin or 111 skin, but I think it's 3 skin. I don't know, but at least it's not called 4 skin because that would be pretty gross, right? Right? Too much? Too soon? Maybe. Maybe. Anyways, we have 3 skin here. If that's even the name of it, because like it's pronounced, people call it so many different things, I don't even know. This is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants, and it retails for $135. Yes, it does. Okay, let me show you actually. I have this one. This one retails for $180. It's literally gold in a bottle. So that is why I picked another one of these products. So anyways, let's show you, shall we? Here we have it. Here's the bottle. Does it have a smell? The other one has a smell. Let's see what this smells like. Smells good. Don't know what it is, but it smells like it's expensive. But this was my choice product. Super excited about that. It already pays for like 6 months, 7, 8, I don't know math, was worth of boxes just for that one product. Just saying. Next up we have from Studio Makeup. This is the Endurance Cream Eyeshadow, which retails for $25, which is insane because I just unboxed this from Koki Cosmetics in my IPSY box, which was a choice item, and I know those are fairly cheap. So let's just see if this even looks like that. See, this one's not even as, I would never pay $25 because it's not even as, what's the word I'm trying to say? Pigmented or whatever as this shadow, which is much cheaper. This one here, but it is a beautiful color, and I'm gonna add it with all the other liquid eyeshadows that I have, which is a ton, but I love liquid eyeshadows. I'm just gonna leave this drawer open. Next up we have a black eyeliner from the brand Deuce. I don't know how to pronounce it, but whatever. It's just a liquid liner, so always happy to have liners in my boxes because you never can have enough liner. Next up we have something from Grace and Stella. Oh wait, I didn't tell you how much the liner was. The liner was $21. Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. Okay. This is the anti-wrinkle plus energizing eye masks, and you get 12 pairs in here for $21. Now that I think is a good value because you can get like 2 for $5 at Walmart, like a really weird brand. But anyways, this is a good value here. I'm excited. I love eye masks. Something about laying down with a good book and eye masks on is just a whole mood, like for real. I've tried quite a few things from Grace and Stella. Actually, I take that back. I have tried 3 things. So far, I've liked them all. So I'm very happy to try a 4th product from them. I swear this plastic is like the worst to get off this box. I don't understand it. Like, I don't know. Did they like shrink wrap it to this box? Cause like, I think I just like tore some of the box. Whatever, here it is. Holy, it says good choice in here. You have quite a lot of masks in here. Holy gosh. Oh, and they look so cute too. Love that. Okay, let's move on. We have talked enough about this. Let's move on to the next. Last item in this box is from Ace Beauty, and this is the, what is this, Bronzed in Paradise palette. I guess it's a bronzer palette. What does it say? Yeah, it's a bronzer palette and it retails for $30. Here it is. Ooh, I think the only shade that'll actually work for me is this light shade right here, but I am for it. So excited to add this to my drawer of millions of bronzers that I have never even tried yet. Love that for myself. Okay, let's get into the premium and see if this box is going to be worth the $35 versus the $25. So here I have the card, same theme, and let's get into it. So number one, what is this? Oh, from Cuccio. I don't know if that's how you actually say it, but I think it's funnier when you say Cuccio. So this is a cuticle oil. I got rid of the last cuticle oil that I got in my Boxycharm, but I know this is good for you, and I actually do my own nails, which, because I don't believe in going and getting your nails done because it's not worth the money to me, so I've never had my nails done. So this would probably be good because my cuticles are kind of gross. It says it's milk and honey. I wonder what the scent is. If it's like actually milk and honey is what I mean to say. I don't know, but it smells really good, and the bottle itself is like really, really pretty. Okay, let's see. How much does that cost? $18. Honey Milk Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. Great. Okay, next up is an item from, I don't know how to say this, Biore Bitter Essence Toner. Retails for $95. Ooh. Okay, anyways, so this is a toner. I wonder what it looks like because it feels like it's freaking heavy as crap. Okay, this actually looks really, really cute. I don't have toners, so I'm actually excited to try this because I do not have toners. So yeah, $95. This is the Bitter Green Essence Toner. Excited about that. Okay, the value so far is phenomenal, huh? Next up is from Nelson Beverly Hills. This is the Moisture Healing Mask. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading. Oh, it's for your hair. This retails for $24, and I'm gonna have to give this a try because my hair, and I don't like hair care really. I don't ever do anything with hair care, but I do actually kind of want to do this. It smells really good. Okay, this one I'm gonna give a try, and then I'll let you guys know if I like it because I'm actually kind of like wanting to try it. Next up we have from Brow Bar. This is my choice item, and this retails for $45. So this is Drama Queen. Ooh, actually, this is a very pretty palette. Look at that green. Ooh, and then these colors up here. You know, I was gonna give this to my niece, but I kind of want it. I think I'm gonna keep it for myself. Next up is from Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Lash Primer, extra high volume. So it's a lash primer. Is that before? Wait, it's in White Widow. So is okay, so then it's a white primer and you put it on before you put your actual mascara on. This retails for $24. Ooh, my God. And this is like very heavy too, like, and it has this like ripple. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna open it because obviously if it's a primer, I'll use it. It is white. It doesn't have that like really awful potent, like gives you a headache when you smell it smell, so that's good. Okay, I'm excited to give this a try for sure. And then the last item in the box, I'm not excited about. I've had this palette already, and then I got rid of it because it was just not good. I did a review on it, and I linked it in my spoiler video, and I was like, ew, I'm not excited about it because Morphe should never be in a premium box. It is not a premium brand in my opinion, but I did review this and I watched it back because I hadn't watched it since I posted it. It's actually kind of long and kind of boring, my bad, but the palette just was not good. It didn't blend good and all of that. So I did tell you guys in my spoiler video that I would re-review it. So I'm going to re-review it. So look out for that. We're going to see if maybe I just happen to have a dud palette even though all the people that had reviewed it also had the exact same thing that I had to say. But here's the palette. I love Manny to death. It's not his fault that, you know, the shadows are Morphe quality. I actually have these two highlighters already, but I can say that this one that I've used is actually a really pretty highlighter, Nova. But the shades I did use, well, I can't really remember, but I know Gamenta, which is apparently magenta, and Fire Witch, and I think it was, I can't remember, but they were no good. And do you guys have like really weird brown spots in your Aries shade? Can you see that? Hold on, let's see if it'll focus. There's like really weird shade spots in that. I don't know, but I will re-review it, and we will see if it will change my mind. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Do you think that the $25 box is worth it, or the $35 box, or both? Let me know down below. Let me know also what you got in your boxes as well. I love to hear it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.